is real important. Okay, so you saw me go over this real fast with the not with the paint shaver, but the orbital sander. The reason why is because I don't want to risk rounding this with the orbital sander. The orbital sander is a lot more powerful than you think it is. All right, and it'll round these corners so fast, and you're like, oh man, you know. But you know, that's what this block is for, is to take care of the things that you don't want to use that on, right? Like if you want to keep this flat, use your sanding block, you know, and then you know, get the corners like that. You can't get anything else in there for the sanding block. So,
all right. So step one is the big sander right down there.
This is a paint shaver.
Paint shaver.
Check out. See that Paint Shaver Pro on there?
Yeah.
Boom. That thing. Check out the teeth on the other side.
Nice.
This thing is nice.
And then we go right from that to the Pro Shaver,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, most things with 3 teeth aren't very effective, but this guy is.
Right. Then Pro Shaver.
Paint Shaver, or Pro Scraper.
Pro Scraper.
This guy.
Then we get our power sander.
Yeah, the orbital sander.
And then into our block.
Yeah,
and
block.
Then, bam, Odell's got the sandpaper for the detail work.
Yeah, the hand sanding, detail sand with by hand, you know. That's you're like, okay, I'm just giving it a once over, you know, making sure everything's like I like it, and you got your hand sandpaper in your hand to make sure that you're getting, you know, so it says here, like 1, or like 1, 2, then what? Oh, you open it like this, then you open it, close it like that, and then you have 2 more. That's hard to see because, man, they all look the same, right? But
no, it works.
It's definitely true. See, it's like, I don't know, it's like, yeah, we go fast, right? See? Oh, it's like magic. Yeah, all right. Yeah, car magician here. You know, I should turn my hat on backwards for that. All right, so watch how slick this is.
Like the Chris Angel of woodworking.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so that was gonna float away right now. Yes, this is the priming phase. We just got done scraping. Got a little termite damage that we're going to be doing some repair work later on, doing some filling, that sort of thing. So that's always the things that you always anticipate, you know. But okay, see, like I can see it's thin here, okay, which is fine. It's sealed, okay, but primer is also sandable, right? So what you can do is you can put a second coat on there, a third coat, a fourth coat. I mean, after a while, it does get ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? But you know, but the point, the goal is to create a surface that you can then paint, and primer does that for you. Okay, so you can come in here and see it's already dry. So what you can come in here and you can put another thick coat on. So look, okay, like. Here's something right here, okay, like some people might assume that because that wasn't covered, now I have to caulk that crap. Guess what? You prime that, and the primer will fill that for you because it's a filler as well, okay? And then, you know, the second time, that might be sufficient. You know, you look at it and say, I could put one more on there, you know? I mean, hey, why didn't you prime this? Well, because there's a hole there, you know, and we're gonna fill it. Okay, what are you gonna fill it with? Epoxy. All right.